Order of operations is important because it keeps us from getting different answers to the same problem. Keep watching and I'll explain how it works. Welcome to Math Bytes. I'm Allison, and today we're talking about order of operations. When doing arithmetic, there is a hierarchy of operations that you need to follow to make sure you get the right answer. That hierarchy is called order of operations. And this is the order. You do everything in parentheses first. Then you do all your exponents. Then you do multiplication and division from left to right. Then you do addition and subtraction from left to right. And there's a convenient little acronym to help you remember this. It's Pemdas, P-E-M-D-A-S. Okay, let's take a look at why this matters. All right, so I've got 4 plus 10 divided by 2. Okay, now if I just go left to right here, 4 plus 10 is 14 divided by 2 is 7. That's the wrong answer. It doesn't follow order of operations. According to order of operations, I should do multiplication and division from left to right first, and then addition and subtraction. So if I do that, I'll do my division first, and I'll get 4 plus 10 divided by 2 is 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. So you see, I get two different answers. The second one is the right answer because I'm following order of operations. That's why it's important. If we didn't have it, we would be getting multiple different answers to the same problems. Let's try a problem, and let's make sure to use order of operations. So we have 4 squared minus 3 times 2 plus 7. Okay, you give it a try, and I'll be here with the answer. Okay, let's take a look at the solution. So remember, order of operations says we do everything in parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, then addition and subtraction from left to right. So we started with 4 squared minus 3 times 2 plus 7. Okay, I don't have anything in parentheses, so I don't have to worry about that. So the next thing I do is exponents. So I'm going to deal with my exponent first. So the 4 squared. So 4 squared is 16. So this gives me 16 minus 3 times 2 plus 7. Now I do multiplication and division from left to right. I just have multiplication in there. So I'm going to do that 3 times 2 next. So I get 16 minus 3 times 2 is 6 plus 7. Now I just do my addition and subtraction from left to right. 16 minus 6 is 10 plus 7 is 17. So the answer to this one is 17. Okay, here's another one for you to try. We have 2 cubed minus the quantity, 3 squared minus 7 times 4 plus 1. All right, give it a try. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let's take a look at the solution and see how you did. In this case, I have parentheses, so I'm going to deal just with what's in my parentheses first. And notice in the parentheses, you still go by order of operations. So inside my parentheses, I'm going to do my exponent first and then my subtraction. All right, so just looking inside my parentheses. So I have 2 cubed minus 3 squared is 9 minus 7 times 4 plus 1. Going to finish up with my parentheses there. 9 minus 7 is 2. So I have 2 cubed minus 2 times 4 plus 1. All right, now I have exponents to deal with. So I'm going to do that next. 2 cubed is 8. So I have 8 minus 2 times 4 plus 1. Now I do multiplication and division from left to right. So I'm going to do that 2 times 4. That's going to be the next thing I do. So I get 8 minus 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1. Now I just go left to right with my addition and subtraction. 8 minus 8 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So this simplifies to 1. Order of operations is really important, and it's not too hard. Just take your time and don't skip steps. Just do one thing at a time, and you'll be okay. That's it for this episode of Math Bytes. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. And if there's something you would like to ask us, you should send us an email. We're at contactmathbytes@gmail.com, and we'll see you next time.